it's Habiba from Craftify, my love. Welcome to today's video. I just started making a fall wreath and I sort of thought last minute I could show you how to make it in this video. It's going to look like this, but more in a second. If you aren't already subscribed to my channel, make sure to do just that. And push the little bell if you want to get a notification about new videos I am publishing. I also think this video will be a good addition to the playlist of Old World Home's $5 Goodwill Challenge Fall for this year, because what you will need to make this wreath, you will need faux fall leaves, right? And I found similar ones last year for a little under $5 at the Goodwill, but they already ended up in another fall craft wreath actually. I can place the link for you up there. But I think you can find fall leaves in a thrift store and maybe other supplies as well. So, if you have been following me around, you know that I like to work with supplies that I can get for either very little money or no money at all. So I am using, as a base for this wreath, I am using a metal hoop I found on the street. My Marcus told me this is something from car tires. Could be, could not be. So keep your eyes out. But I'll make sure to find something similar for you online, and we'll link to it and as well to the other supplies and materials you'll need in the info section below. Why not let me just switch you around so you can actually see what I'm doing. And then we're going to start making this fall wreath. Okay, so here we are. I hope you can see me very good. So what we are doing, you can see I already started because I needed to make sure that it's actually working. You know, often I have an idea in my head, but then I need to see if it's actually working in reality. So you will have fall leaves. Most faux flowers or leaves, you can simply unplug them. Like you just pull on the plastic stuff and then you pull again and get rid of one of these leaves. So I am cutting these apart with my pliers, getting rid of that bubbly knobbly bit in the middle, and voila, single leaves. Now you will do that with all kinds of colors like I already did. And then we will start prepping them. You know, we will be using a gold wire. Well, I am. I will cut a, whoops. I will cut a piece of it and we'll start. Let me put these away so you can see. And then we will start wrapping them around the stem in a spiral like so, and then the other one as well in the opposite direction. This way it's tight enough, and then we will tie it around the loop. The good thing is that this is kind of a, you know, you just decide on the pattern, on the changes of the colors as you go. You just wrap around the gold wire around your metal hoop, just however you like until you're done. The other one could go actually in the other direction. You decide, do you want to have this leaf looking downwards or upwards? Like you can see here, I made two up, one down. Just create a pattern that suits you. I will fix this one on the other side of the leaf, just wrapping it around and around and around. Very, very, very soothing. And you're done. Now for the fastest results, I think, is if you prep many leaves all in once, prep them, and then just wrap them around. That's what I will do now. I'm not sure you want to watch me doing that, so I'll just keep working, and I will be back in a minute or 2 or 30 to show you the finished wreath. So this is the wreath. How do you like it? I must say I really love it. My last fall wreath was very dense because I used a garland and I just simply wrapped it around. Go check out my video tutorial. And this wreath, it's kind of airy and more elegant, I think. And now I will find something to hang it. When you're having some leftover leaves like I do, you can make these fun fall fairies, and you can use them for multiple purposes. I'll link to the tutorial in the info section for you. Happy crafting. I hope you liked this tutorial. If you did, make sure to subscribe to my channel and give the video a thumbs up. Also, it would be great if you would share it on your social media or with friends and family. And let me know if you will be doing a similar wreath, or if you have other ideas to craft from faux fall leaves. Happy crafting, my friends, and see you next time. Bye bye.